Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slay this emo aesthetic without VIP in DTI. So here, if you don't have VIP, no problem. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the emo aesthetic in Dress to Impress. And yes, you can slay this iconic look without spending a single Robux. So if you want to know how I can create this look, let me show you the steps. First, for the hair, you are going to go to the straight category in here and put on this hair. Change the color to all black like this and combine it with this bangs, this one, all black. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. First, I'm going to go here and put on the stockings and change the color using this stripe patterns. Then I'm going to put on this t-shirt at the top, change the color into dark gray like this, and remove the image. And I'm going to also put on this tank top, change the color the same, but for the second preview, make it white. I'm going to put on this boots for the shoe, and first color black, second one white, and the last one also white. Okay, as for the bottom, I'm going to wear this skirt, the pink one in here, and change the color into black. And I'm going to put on these belts from the men's sections. And I'm going to change the first color black, second one dark brown like this. So now let's add some accessory in here. Sorry, I forgot to put on this one on the arms. Make it black. And now let's put on some accessory here. I'm going to put on this glasses and then this necklace, this teddy bear necklace. First color white, second one black, and just leave it the third view as it is. And here I'm going to grab this bag, color it black, and I'm going to put on this bow, make it white, and toggle it into type 2. And now to finish the looks, let's add this jacket from a code items. You can use these jackets in here. Turn off the watermelon and make the color black. So now this is the final look for emo girl. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.